Okay, I'm back. Wife told me to go to the garage, so I'm not going to argue. So I'm in here. Not got long tonight, but it's a bit late now. Woo! Yeah, as I said, wife told me to go to the garage. Not going to argue. So I could just stand here for half an hour and admire my handiwork, which is looking good. See what it looks like in paint in a few months. So yeah, where are we? So A panel tacked in. So I'm not too sure what to work on next, whether we should fully weld the A panel in. I don't think I will just yet. I think the key thing is to let's get the inner A panel welded into position. I've got a good feeling that the wing can sort out. Looks like it can come up a little bit higher up there, but that's easily done later on, even though that looks bob on. Looks a little bit close to this front. It's like the door needs to come back a bit, but again, we can work on that. But yeah, so that's looking pretty good. So yeah, let's get these panels off and see what we need to do to get the inner A panel to fit. Okay, I've got the pattern panel. Wow, it's actually lining up with the bolt hinges quite well. So yeah, I'm actually not quite sure how the best thing to weld these in. I think I'm going to run some stitch welding down the edge of these panels into the inner wing, and maybe a couple of little plug welds, but I do know that they get spot welded through the wings as well, and down here, so that would add quite a lot of strength, I would have thought, later on. So let me just spin the camera around. Yeah, so stitch weld along here all the way down. Should be able to get some nice welds on those, and maybe plug weld through a little bit. So yeah, the bolt holes actually line up perfectly. Actually, a bit scary. Bottom ones could just do with coming out a little bit, but I'll either gently tap it. Otherwise what I'll do is I might just put some nuts and bolts through, just to pull it in a little bit before I weld it. I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. I just realised what I could do is I can bolt the door on, can't I? So yeah, let's bolt the door on. And then yeah, if that looks good, we can weld the bugger in. Like a VW. Like a VW. Okay, there's no glass in that, and I'm sure the thing will be heavier. That's not bad. I think I'm going to trim the door frame a little bit more at some point. It just don't fit quite right. It's a bit too close to the front here. But there, we can do something with that, that's for sure. Yeah, ain't too bad. Door lines ain't gonna be no concourse car, that's for sure. It just needs a little bit of a twist in it when I finally weld the door skin shut. But that's good, that. Clang! That wasn't the door. Alright, I just got some tack welds on the A panel. Just to then just try. Door still opens, which is always a good sign. I just clamp the front wing on. It doesn't fit perfectly there, but that's fine. I can tweak that. That's just up near the scuttle panel where I've actually raised the wing a bit better to be in the right position. Being a right donkey, I've put a dent in the wing because I'm brilliant like that. So anyway, I think we can work with that. We can work with that donkey. So yeah. It's not too bad, you know. I think fine eye, you mostly do a little bit better, you know, but for my standards, that's pretty damn good. Alright, need to figure out what's next now, whether we do a bit more welding. £8 just a little bit out down there, but I think we can fix that. Yeah. Cool. Okay, something I just noticed, which I should have noticed a lot earlier, apart from putting a dent in my wing, like I said, is that this front wing didn't come with the indicator hole, so it's actually got the wrong cutout for the headlamp bowl. This is for the later cutouts for the MPIs. I guess in the end they can't make any different ones because it's just the way it is. So yeah, so it's annoying because that's not genuine, is it? So you know, that's what I'm thinking now. My purist head's kicking in a little bit. You know, I don't think it will make any difference once you've got the headlamp bulb on there. It will look exactly the same. Metal's metal. It will look like a Mark 1 wing. It's obviously just when you remove the headlamp bulb, it won't look right. Will it affect me? Does it affect you guys? Let me know. Okay, I'll just run some stitch welding down there. Bit of etch primer for now. You know me, etch primer. I'm just going to leave it like that for the moment. I might put some plug welds in through, but I'm going to see. I'm going to see how it goes. So yeah, so that's good. What we need to do is lots of things now. I just need to work out what I want to do first. I've got this end cap to put on. I've got the A panel to finish welding. A little bit of a hole down here still, but that's stuff I'm not too worried about. And then we can move on to something else, I think. So yeah, that's it for this time. Ping pasta. Don't know when ping pasta was. Ping pasta Tuesday, that was yesterday. Don't know what we got for tea tonight. I'm confused on days. Bye bye. I knew I shouldn't have left it. And a funny coating on here. I thought it's like a layer of fiberglass. It feels like that, but it's not. But then actually, I've got up near the top here. Bang! Poke the screwdriver through. That popped out from up here. So I know it had a bit of a ding at the front end. I was worried that it's crumpled all the way back here. But what I think's happened is some rust is up here. Someone's just bashed it in with a hammer and then fiberglassed it, just to make it recess it a little bit. So yeah, another secret rust hole that we need to sort out. These cars are full of surprises.